my name is Jack Leeson. I'm going to be demonstrating the installation of a modulating package in an ABZ 15 through 250 using an MKT 193 mounting kit. Now I'm ready to install the MKT 193 mounting kit. I removed the bracket from the bag, and using the screws that I removed from the motor earlier, I take one of these Allen screws and put it in there. Carefully put this bracket through the camshaft hole here. Carefully drop it down and guide the screw down into the motor. I get out the appropriate Allen wrench and install that. Give it a few turns so it's not going to fall out. Then take the other Allen screw and then put it in place. Give it a few turns and now you can tighten these screws down. And then we'll be done.